Today, we're exploring the journey of Wanda Barzee, the co-kidnapper of Elizabeth Smart, whose role in the harrowing 9-month abduction in 2002 remains one of the most chilling cases in American history. As the wife and accomplice of street preacher Brian David Mitchell, Barzee helped orchestrate a crime that captivated the nation, leading to a long legal battle and a decade of incarceration. So, where is Wanda Barzee now? Let's find out. Wanda Barzee spent 15 years in custody before her unexpected release from a Utah state prison in September 2018, a decision that followed a surprise announcement that authorities had miscalculated her sentence. Although she was originally scheduled for release in 2024, her legal team successfully argued that her time in federal prison should count toward her state term. Since her release, Barzee has lived a quiet but heavily monitored life in Salt Lake City, moving between halfway houses and apartments while remaining a registered sex offender for life. Her freedom, however, has not been without new legal complications. In May 2025, Barzee was arrested after allegedly violating her sex offender registration conditions by entering public parks, from which she is permanently barred. According to police affidavits, she admitted to officers that she visited the parks because she was commanded to by the Lord, a statement that echoes the religious delusions of her past. This arrest sparked renewed concern from Elizabeth Smart, who has long advocated for stricter monitoring of her former captor. Where is Wanda Barzee now? As of now, Wanda Barzee is free but remains under strict monitoring and pre-trial release following her 2025 arrest. Now approximately 80 years old, she resides in Salt Lake City, Utah, where she is required to conduct weekly check-ins with local authorities and adhere to rigid geographical restrictions. While she appeared in court several times in mid-2025 to address the park violations, she currently remains in the community pending further legal proceedings. Professionally, Barzee has no public career and remains disconnected from the Smart family, whom she is legally prohibited from contacting. Her story returned to the cultural spotlight in early 2026 with the release of the Netflix documentary Kidnapped, Elizabeth Smart, which re-examines the impact of her crimes and her life after prison. Wanda Barzee has transformed from a notorious kidnapper into an elderly felon navigating the final years of her life under the shadow of the justice system. While she is no longer behind bars, her ongoing legal issues and the permanent scrutiny of the sex offender registry ensure she remains a monitored figure in the community she once terrorized. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite stars and their journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.